Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to make large letters in Microsoft Word. Keep in mind, increasing the size of your text in Microsoft Word can be done through several methods. For example, type the text A, B. Let me open my on-screen keyboard. So if you want to increase by 1 point, you need to select the text and then press the control key and the bracket key. Here is the bracket key. You need to press all together. And here you can see that the letters are getting bigger. So if you want to decrease by 1 point, then again you need to select the text and press the control key and press the left bracket. And here is the left bracket. So if you want to jump to the next preset size, for this you need to select the text and press the control key, shift key and greater than sign. This follows the size listed in the drop down menu. For example, jumping 12 to 14 and 16 like this one. For the precise control over formatting, you need to select the text and press the Control D to open the font group. And now type the exact number in the size box. For example, if you want to make it 70.5 and then hit enter, and here it is. So this way you can easily make large letter in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.